So, good evening, attorney. So, tonight I'm going to do the oral blinded recitations of Article 27 of the Revised Penal Code, which is the duration and effects of penalties. But before that, I'm going to let you check my ears and how I put the blindfold in my eyes. So, Article 27 of the Revised Penal Code, the following are durations and effects of penalty. Reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor, perpetual, temporary, absolute, and special disqualification, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Prison correctional and suspension deschero, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor, 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Arresto minor, 1 to 30 days. That's all, attorney. Thank you.